Daddy, can we go ice fishing?
Yeah, let me go get the chainsaw and I'll cut a hole in the ice for you.
No, that's not how Marines do it. This is how Marines go ice fishing.
SUSCO County, Pennsylvania. This is the way we ice fish. A hole in the ice. Wait a minute. There's about this ice 15-acre lake stocked with 5 to 7 pound bass, some northern pike, and right now it's January 2nd. We have about a foot of ice on this. So for us to go ice fishing, we need to put a hole in that ice. The way Marines do it is take 2.5 pounds of tannerite, and well, we had to find something to sit it on top of so we could see it. So we added about a gallon of gas. This is how you make a hole. All right, first up, 15-year-old Evan. Evan's using his new Mosin Nagant Russian sniper rifle. We really haven't shot it in yet, and he was just a hair high with that shot. But now Shannon is using an M1 Garand. This is an American rifle, so this ought to hit. Oh, just a bit high. Round 2. The Russians. Oh, and the Russians just miss. Back to the Americans and the M1 Garand. If all else fails, we do have a 243.
Now you just gotta shoot the tannerite.
Oh, Evan just ruined that. So much for the bone.